So today I will discuss the first program, max min using array. Okay. So suppose this is an array 10, 5, 30, 40. Okay. Now I am asked to find the maximum and the minimum value in this array. Okay, say this is a1, a0, sorry, this is a1, this is a2, this is a3. Okay, and the name of this array is a. Okay, now I have to find what? The minimum value and the maximum value. Now I have assigned the minimum value is a0. I don't know which one is minimum or maximum, so I have assigned the minimum value to a0. Okay, a0 equal to min. Now since this is the minimum value, this must be less than all those values. So minimum less than, sorry, this is less than a1. Now a0 is minimum. What is the value of a0? 10. What is the value of a1? 5. So this condition is not true. This condition is not satisfied. So the loop will end here, and the new value, the new minimum value will be what? a1. Okay, a1 equal to minimum. Now again I am comparing, again the loop is starting, minimum less than, now the next value is a2. So a2, yes, a1 is 5, a2 is 30, so definitely a1 will be greater, sorry, a1 will be the less among those two values. So this condition is satisfied. Now again the loop will continue and it will go to a3. Okay, so minimum less than a3, a3 is 40 and a1 is 5, so again this condition will satisfy. So the minimum of all those the minimum value in this array, the minimum of all those four number is what? This one, that is a1. So minimum equal to a1. In this way we will get the minimum value. Now similarly in the same process we will get the maximum value. Now I have assigned again max equal to the first value a0 equal to a10. Sorry. The maximum value is 10. Okay, I have assigned that the maximum value to 10, and 10 is what? a0. Okay, so max equal to a0. Now comparing max greater than the second value, the next value to a0 is a1. So a1. Okay, now a0 is 10 and a1 is 5. So max greater than a1, that means 10 greater than 5. So definitely this condition will satisfy and the loop will again continue. Now max greater than the next value a2. But a2 is 30, a0 is 10. Max, that is a0 is 10. Okay, I have already assigned max to a0. a0 is 10. So this condition will again fail. Okay, this condition will not satisfy, and the new max is a2, that is 30. Okay, now again max greater than a3, but a2 greater than a3 is not true because maximum value is a2 now considering the loop, and 30 is maximum. So 30 greater than 40 is not possible because 40 is greater. So again this condition will fail, and the maximum value is max equal to a3. So minimum equal to a1, max equal to A3. So this is the concept by which we can find the maximum and the minimum value in an array. Okay, now I am explaining with the help of a program. Now I have written the program. Okay, that I have taken two variables n and I. Okay, and I have just assigned 10 as the number as the index number, okay, of this array, and there are two values, that is maximum and the maximum function and minimum function, and I have set 0 as a maximum function. Now how many elements? Okay, to determine the number of elements I have used n variables, that's why I have scanned %d and %n. Okay, now talking about this function, okay, I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, in the previous video of array I have already explained the index number. What is the index number? Index number is that the position. Suppose this is an array 10, 20, 30, okay, and this is the index number. Suppose A0, that means the first element is 0, so this 0 is the index number. A1, this 1 is the index number. Okay, this is the index number. Okay, so now talking about this condition, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, that means I is the index number. Suppose n equal to 10, there are 10 elements in the array. Okay, so I should be starting from 0, that means I equal to 0, and I less than n, that means I should not exceed this 10, that means the value should not exceed 9. Okay, should be always, sorry, the I should be always less than 10. Okay, that means it should not exceed 9, that means it will start from 0 and end in 9, and will be increased by 1, as I have already used an incremental operator, and I have made a separate video on incremental operator. You can check this one out. Okay, so now again see, if ai, that means a number, okay, this is the index number, this is the name of the array, so it is greater than maximum value, then this is the maximum value. Similarly, if this is less than minimum value, then this is the minimum value. Okay, so this is the logic of the program. Now I am showing it by running it on computer. See, I have written this program. Okay, and now I am compiling it using F9. See, it is giving 0 errors. Okay, so I have written it, now I am running it. How many elements? Okay, say there are 5 elements, value for 67, value for second element 56, value for third element 34, value for fourth element 96, value for fifth element 19, no, value for fifth element say 79. See, the maximum value is 96 and the minimum is 34. Okay, so the program has run correctly.